This is the one GPPW 1520 semi-automatic pallet wrapper. Today we're just going to step through the control panel. We've had a couple of requests from our customers and it's just easy to give yourself a bit of a refresher on how the machine works. As you can see here, we're in manual mode. I have my table on 1 and my film carriage controls up and down on 2 and 3. So it's as simple as pressing the number. 1 will get your turntable rolling and 1 to stop. 2 and 3 will move your film carriage up and down respectively. Now if we want to jump out of that, we're going to press our escape button. This is the main menu. This is how you can change programs from manual to semi-automatic. Set your parameters for those programs. You've got a wrap counter on 3. You can double check your parameters on 4, set a password on 5, or change the language on 6. So just to show you where we were, we're on program, which is number 2, and we were on number 2 for manual again, which will give you those manual controls back. Pressing escape and pressing 2 for program. Up and down is the standard semi-automatic wrapping function. Up only will wrap up one way and then stop, and then top sheet on number 4 will go to the top and stop, and then you'll press the green button again and then it'll wrap down, and that allows you to put a top sheet on. So in this instance you'll go 1 for up and down. You'll notice all the numbers have disappeared and you've got a wrap counter at 0. Once you're on this screen, you tie your film on and hit start. This is the semi-automatic mode. Now if I want to change how my pallet wrapper performs and wraps, I'll go into number 1, which is parameter settings, and then we can see here that on 1 my top wraps I've got 2. I've got 2 on my bottom wraps, and I'm going to go up and down in total 1 time. That's once up and once down. If I wanted to wrap the bottom of my pallet a bit more, I'm going to hit 2. I'm going to use both set and enter. So we're going to press set, and now we've got 2 selected. We're going to change that to 3, and then we're going to hit enter. Now if I go back with escape, you'll see that I'm going to wrap down the bottom 3 times. I'll then escape to the main menu, go to my program, go back to my up and down. Now I'm ready to hit the green button with 3 bottom wraps and 2 top wraps. If you just want to check your parameters, you can press 4, and that'll tell you what this machine is currently set to without having to reset it. If you'd like to install a password, it's on 5. We recommend that if you do set this, you keep it in a safe location. And you obviously have different languages available on 6, and you can scroll the menu by pressing the up and down directional buttons. The last thing we want to show you about our control panel here, I'm going to put it back into our semi-automatic mode, is this top orange button. When your film carriage is traveling up or down the pallet, you can press this orange button. When the orange button is lit, the pallet wrapper will pause and continue wrapping in place. So if you want to do something like a reinforcement wrap, you'd let your film carriage come up about halfway. We're going to press this orange button. It will continually wrap at the halfway point until you let that lock off and then tell the pallet wrapper to proceed. And that's a quick rundown of our control panel.